In this video, we are going to see a little bit of example on how the division and multiplication formula works in Google Sheets. So after the completion of these subjects, which is 5 subjects, we want to calculate the marks obtained. We have different marks. So let's sum it all up equals to sum. As soon as we write sum, it will automatically pick up all the range. But as you can see, it is also picking up this alphanumeric combination. So if we hit enter, it will still be able to select and calculate 295 properly, which is the total marks obtained. We can also check it when we highlight this range of cells. It shows the sum down here. So although this is good, but let's apply it manually. We just want to delete this equals to sum, and we want to press tab. As soon as even we press tab, it selects that data. But let's manually select this. You still get the same results. So it's your choice if you want to use that or something else. And again, when we press enter, it is showing the autofill suggestion as well. That means it will drag down automatically for the rest of the results. So perfect, click yes. And now we have the total marks. Total marks. So marks obtained divided by total marks should be percentage, but these marks are against the total of 100. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total for 5 subjects is 500. Let's write 500 here. Double click to send it down. And we have 500 for all. Now let's calculate the percentage. Percentage formula is very simple. Marks obtained. Every formula starts with equals to sign. So marks obtained cell divide by total marks. Hit enter and you see the percentage for all. Click yes and you are good to go. But this percentage is in decimal form. What if we want to convert directly it into percentage form? That's very simple. Just highlight this complete column and go to these little options. From here you can choose the format as percentage, and there you go. Now you just want to remove the decimal places or increase or decrease them. Here's how you can do it. Decrease the decimal places and we are good to go. Now for the multiplication, we have already seen this in the text example, but let's just create a multiplicative table. I'll just insert a sheet, name it as multiplicative table, and let's generate a table of 2. 2 by 1, it should equals 2, right? So just drag 2 in all the other cells and write 2 and then fill series through all of this data. Let me just delete this, select both of them, double click to send it down, and now we have the incremental numbers. All right, so mean by result, whatever we give it as headings, we want to bold it, and 2, 1 is to 2. So the simple multiplication is this: multiply, which is for the static sign, by whatever you would like to have. Select that cell and that's it. Hit enter for the suggested autofill and you're good to go. 2, 1 is to 2, 2, 2 is to 4, 2, 3 is to 6. And this is how you fill in the data by simple multiplicative table. Now, this is just for example. In the future examples, we are also going to see scenarios where we apply the divide, multiplication, addition and subtraction, and that might also be in a same cell. So it depends on the condition. I'll just not combine and mix it up all because we are going to see much complex scenarios in the future. But that's how you can work on multiplication and division in Google Sheets. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.